Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. Today we will be creating this makeup look using all the new products that I have recently got from Sephora sale. In case you have not watched my last video, I have shared all the new products that I got from Sephora 50% sale and in such a good deal. So I'm going to be using all those products today to create this beautiful makeup. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video and let's start this tutorial. But before moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. Now let's get started. So for primer today I'm going to be using this easy blur primer from Huda Beauty. ये एक sample size है जो मुझे मिला था जब मैंने सारे products order किए. तो today is the perfect time to use this and बहुत ज़्यादा great reviews आ रहे हैं इसके. तो मैं बहुत excited उसको try करने के लिए. This is the sample piece. I think इतना तो ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगा हमें. But देखते हैं, maybe I can save it for the थोड़ा सा product next time के लिए. But let's just use this little bit. For today I'm just gonna take थोड़ा सा amount लिया है और उसको मैं अपने जहाँ पे भी wherever I have like a lot of pores, I'm just going to be apply this on those areas. For foundation today I'm going to be using a Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation, and with the help of a brush I'm just going to evenly apply this all over my face. And this is the first time I'm actually using this foundation, and I've heard really good reviews about this foundation, that how it just gives you like a airbrush finish, makes your makeup looks really smooth. So I'm really excited to see how it actually sets up on my skin. I feel this is a good match for my skin, and again I think it does feel like one shade lighter, but then I'm completely okay with the shade because I usually tend to get like shades which are nearby my skin tone or maybe one shade lighter. A damp beauty blender, I am just going to blend this all together. I absolutely love the finish of this foundation. It just looks very like, feels like very smooth, very seamless, and it's very easy to blend and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's super lightweight. I did not get any concealer, but for today I'm going to be using this Kosas concealer which I got I think couple of months back, but I never got the chance to talk about this product or share it with you guys. I am so much in love with this concealer. I love how it just sets my under eyes, and you know, it gives you a really good coverage. I'm just going to apply this under my eyes and also on the areas where I just want to highlight this. Now I'm going to let my concealer settle in for a couple of minutes and I'm going to move on to the next product. Now I'm really excited to try out these two duo from Sai, and the first one is the bronzer and then the second one is a blush. I heard so much about these products. The bronzer that I'm going to be using today, it's in the shade called as Swim. Of an angular brush, I'm going to start blending this out, and let's see how pigmented this is. As of now the pigment looks pretty decent, but I just want to see like after blending how it looks. One thing I really want to talk about is it just blends very smoothly. Like I am just, you know, dabbing the brush and it just gets blended very easily. You don't have to like put too much pressure. You see, it's just blending very nicely. I think I'm really loving this product. Now the next product that I'm going to be trying on is this dewy blush, again from Sai. It's in the shade called as Chili. Now it's time to blend the blush. I think I can even blend this with my fingers. It's just blending very nicely. It looks like it's very pigmented, but it's very easy to blend, you guys see. Now after blending everything here, you guys can see it looks so seamless, very nice. I'm not going to blend my concealer right now. I'm going to just let it settle down for some more time, and I'm going to move on to the eyebrows now. Let's talk about this natural brow duo pencil which I got from Pixie Beauty. By the way, I got this in the PR, and since I got it, I am loving this product so much. I use this product so much, and then I think I never got the chance to really show up this product even on my Instagram and also on my YouTube. So I thought today is like a perfect time to actually reveal this pencil also and talk to you guys about this one. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows with this one. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow hair in the upward direction first, and then using this side, that is the pencil side, I'm just gonna start filling in, and I'm gonna keep my eyebrows super natural. For using the second part, what I like to do is I like to sharpen my eyebrow. I know this is 2025, but I still like to do it because it just kind of gives like a new kind of lifted edge to my eyebrows. So I still like to do this. I don't know if still people are doing this or not, but I still do this because it just makes my eyebrow look super clean and then lifted. You see that? It just makes a very like a huge difference, you guys. If you have still not started doing it, just do this. It is such a game changer. And I'm going to be using the other side, which is basically a gel, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrow hair upwards so that it just sets. And it's done. Now let's go ahead and start with the eye makeup. I also bought this Makeup by Mario Moonlight palette. I do have their other palette which is like a standard one, but this is the one that I got and looks so good, you guys. It has these beautiful like you know, moonlight tones. You can see it has like coppers, it has blues, it has like some browns too. So it's a good palette if you want to just elevate your look and maybe like to create like a more deeper like eye look which has like more depth. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette today. Now the shades does not have any name in the palette, so I'm just taking a very nude color and applying it on my crease and making it as my transition shade, so applying it all over my crease, and then taking a darker brown with a mix of black color and applying it on my lash line and smoking it out to create like sort of you know, a smoked out liner. Eye makeup is still not done, but I'm gonna go ahead and blend my concealer now. Didn't buy any new loose powders. I'm gonna switch to the Huda Beauty you know, powder to just set my under eyes. Now taking a shimmer shade from the palette, very like neutral shimmer shade, and applying it on my you know, eyelid, so just to create like sort of like a little bit effect on my eyes, and then blending it all together so that it just looks soft, and then the edges are also blended well, so it all looks good together. And then on my lower lashes, I'm just taking a brown nude color and applying it near my lower lashes just to create kind of like a depth on the lower lash line as well. Now the next product that I'm going to be using is a mascara. So I'm going to be first of all curling my lashes with this eyelash curler. It still scares me a lot every time when I'm curling my lashes, you guys. And then the mascara that I'm using is a MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. Now this also I bought it a while back, I think 6-7 months ago, but never got the time or never got the chance to actually speak about this product. I always like to use it when I have applied eyelashes. The brush, you can see, is super thin. It just really helps to, you know, pick the product and apply it underneath and then extend all the way to your lash length, and it just helps in curling as well, and application process is super simple. So that's one of the reason I love this product. So I'm just gonna apply this very gently. And then since I'm not going to be wearing any eyelashes today, I'm going to keep this look pretty simple. So I think we can use this mascara. I'm also going to be applying this on the lower lashes. The eye makeup is done. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the blush now. I'm going to be trying out this blush from Sai. It's in the shade called as Mia. It's a radiant blush powder. First time using it, and let's see how the pigment is. But by the way, this is how the color is. So let's take this. I'm gonna dust out the extra, apply. Okay, the pigment looks good to me. Yeah, it looks really good. I think I kind of like it, and the color is also very subtle. It has like a tones of peach, but also kind of like a plum pink. Not too loud, not too light, not in the orange tones, but also more towards like a pink family. So love the blush color. Now highlighter, I didn't really buy any new highlighter, so I'm going to be sticking to my favorite Dior face palette. It's in the 001 Universal, and I'm just going to apply this highlighter on my face. I am a highlighter girly, and I have a highlighter blindness, you know. Every time I apply, I just feel like this is less, and I just keep on going, and I just want to apply like too much, and I just want to like look like I have that glowy face. I absolutely love that. It's time for lipstick now. I actually got like restocked on two of my favorite lip liners from Huda Beauty, Contour 2.0. One is pinky brown, and then another one is warm brown. I think for today I'm gonna go with the warm brown color and just apply and outline my lips. Using this cocoa bowl. I can never go out without lip gloss. I am again a lip gloss girly. And then if you guys remember from the last video, I actually bought this as well. This has like these three shades. I think I'm gonna go with the Sugar Baby. I think this is lighter one, so I'm just gonna apply this all over my lips and see how it looks. So this is how the lip gloss looks. Too good, guys. Just loving my makeup today. It looks really glowy, makes my face looks really lively, and just love it. And we have not done too dramatic look. As you guys can see, it's been super simple. Now let me just quickly do my hair and then show you the final look. So guys, so this is my final look, and I've created this very super messy bun hairstyle, and the tutorial you can find it out on the Instagram. I'm also gonna link the tutorial link on my description, so you can check it from there as well. So this is my final look. It looks such an effortless look, you guys. I mean, I'm absolutely loving all the new products that I've got. The one of my favorite is the Easy Blur Primer, and then the foundation. I think they settle in very nicely, and I love the overall finish of my base. So I think I'm gonna go and buy the full size bottle of the the Easy Blur Primer. Just loving that one. And then the lipstick combo also looks really nice. So it looks super juicy, and I love all the juicy lip combos. Like, I'm always diving in for those kind of like products which give me like similar kind of like lip effect. So anyways, this was my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I am gonna go ahead and see you guys with a new tutorial or a new video. But make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.